Ebusuafo memo bibia kwaba deba GCN page so munuaba adwoa searching me enam de jumedi we ebrel na message so be subscribe to my channel na don sa emia bell ne so ubenya notification ensema ekoso wo memu bia benya bia ti anase ubenya bia hwe e wo GCN page ha nipa ya okase eye Ghana ni bade short ya brochiri na ene ye ni sema etwegu e wo social media no so social media aba edum ni person so ekum nipa ene yasem ketu akra na ene obi atwe cameras ni so na chese oye video e de amagana phone penifo esan se omususu so mo akotena brochiri a enyama ekoso wa brochiri no ebi betumi akoso e wo African countries so a African countries e fa e wo natural resources bi bra yentimi AUC and fine mine year. Number countries there any natural resources come to me develop it. And to say we Africa na oko Europe countries and so oko US na dia na and we trouble African leaders in the papa because almost to say leaders no ACCN. Na my minister somebody to join us say Ghana ha nyame nkoyie kra. Nyame nkoyie baako say na COVID-19 nearby papa Donald Trump my US for be 1,002 and it's all buy a 610 or be more be 1,002 and Joe Biden so by also the same thing of a twaso or my Ghana kai yeah one natural resources the gold timber diamond the day yeni then so may at tia pansam no we no chese or money mum penifuni bi kra so say bi o ma dwen no we no or dey efa eye Dr. Kwaku Otin so no chese obi a wa bo doctor sorry obi a ye doctor Dr. Dina Dawoso, be a Juma or Manimua, and say Juma, Adonko, Juma, be you to them no men say Nema Basabasa, and where Chabo Ghana from Penifupa, Ura Dr. Kwakotins when you're Nayenti and some mammy a day at Twitter.
Dr. Kwakwate me say, oh, Nimi Yansa, one lacking the wisdom of God, or you soon a certificate in Yansa, but one who shake Christo yes, Munyansa.
I didn't kiss him. Go Instagram, Jimmy.
The name of say, one lacking wisdom that come from God. They don't have wisdom. It's me. Who is Sikedina say who wisdom and I'm respectful. Next to Ghana, Sikafoni bebre. They have money, but they lack the wisdom of God. What's in Abano, Efatawabi, I want it no nachi. Enti me bomachi. Me say Ghana and Penifon bebre what? They are useless. They are useless. Into Behuno. Of course, school are not and how Bebo Chrono, Ukraine certificate. Nature and Sanyo the Bebo Chrono. It's in our my Ghana, Hassania Ghana, when Yamia Shrai, for Ghana, Fato to Israel. When Yamia Shra, my Ghana, Yawa Coco, Yawa Magnesium, Yawa Bosai, Yawa Diamond, Yawa Godu, Shania, my Ghana, and Swiss Sansa, President for Betna Sunina. They lack the wisdom of God. Kwame Nkrumah betna so ekofa kankan nyame free Egypt wakofa bosom free Zimano or the betna akunwa no so or the betna akunwa no so Kwame Nkrumah wakofa kankan nyame bosom and or the betna o man no so President Akufo betna so ono so kodani free mercy ono so dia bosom occult secret society said yen and or the bae ya papa Akufo adon so aba Oso kwa asole na so mo ankasa mo hwe enne wo be me Bible chira me nin krata me benye me be wo ye na me nin krata we call something charity care. It care for me. It provide all my hospital care, all my hospital needs, everything that I need, including my dentist. It provided mommy, including the baby milk, everything. Yeah, they make her wake, make her jiji cause everything that I want, they provide for me because the system is working. A doom maybe an empen for the book munyansa na to work akra. No more so. Christo nyansa no so. Say yeah, we should care for needy. We should do this. We should do this. Until kind prophets now. Well, say you have to be a president. A president that you can care for everybody. A president. Be a president. A strong president for needy and poor. But now we don't have it. President it so. No one, yeah, or yeah, vice president crown on koto play the baby abu on koto mla no one kasa so de sika wo de to so kra bro ade na wo kwa koto no. Wait, do we have wisdom? Mama, you show wisdom that come from God. Don't seek for wisdom that come from somebody. Kuranim dear enyansafo ekura nim de America ha COVID baye no omoma sika $1,000 1,002 oba 1,002 wonso 1,002 ukuta nkwala ananya ne ya ka bom ne ya de abrawo ukuta nkwala nsia kura ya de be brawo ukuta nkwala 10 ne ya ma obi 1,002 1,002 a hwesika abedwiri de agu o nanso shawaman Ghana esi ye wokoko ye magnesium eniema ne board nyina onyankopon kura sign de oil abeka ese de akuro na tete ene politicians nyina atia gugalamse so they don't care so obetu galamse ode amuna beto na obi babekọ akogum na nipa ne bewu wey ye oman aye nim Kristo yesi Ghana ya asomdwe man Ghana ya asomdwe man bia to bi se Ghana ya asomdwe jimi for ano ebuo eben aha osi wodefo ahunyade eni den hwesenia wo man Ghana yakuta sika esede Ghana ye wosika ye wo koko ye wo oil ye wo gold ye wo diamond politicians for to gold almost say yinsuo no ma de hye kromo ade hye they don't think about obi kwa kai si we mu ade madam Ghana maina yatimu no obi live na Mr. COVID by me man nine omo kan check bom de brem akwara ba ku bia 1,002 me ne memma ye 5,200 omo de brem COVID by Trump ma ye bi Papa Biden abema ye bi oh my Ghana oh painful me and my sister na chili ba na me adepa my sister na chili ba na me wa sorry o se ne ho mfa no okọ hospital ye se mpenny ho ne ye de menua na to fom obi a wanya pneumonia ne ya sign de na to fom ade echi na my sister no mkoto mattress ne ade ekọ ho a ye ko ya my sister ye se unua na wu me and my sister na chili ba na me waja nkwala mi yansa 3 girls waja 3 girls esense penifo na edi o man no so no bebre o malaki nyansa wisdom o malaki di o modina ne sadia wo be chiri be ma edi akwasa se bia pronche edi akope ma di awadina ne se o be to dan di ama ma and the Ghana for ma bebre adane ya tutufo adane ya kwasrampafo they don't think about nobody inti abaya ketu ob no gina ho abaya kete no gina no wodi atem no nam onam Dubai no onam ha because em penifo na bobotro nikito omo no omo ye kwasnampafo ye kwhwifo a they don't think about nobody in that country. They are selfish, they are greedy, they don't care about nobody. They care about how they will sleep with women. That is what they care. They don't care about nobody. They don't care about nobody. They care about themselves. Because they lack the wisdom. If you have the wisdom that comes from God, if you are using the wisdom that God has gave you, when you're doing something to somebody, you think about twice. You think twice. Obviously, me a doctor. Me the answer me answer. Upon all the doctorate degree ne kutano. Me the answer obeyansa. I don't concern. Obeyansa kese ne ye wo nsa. Nti hu Ghana abremesia 13 years, 20 years. Na ne sie egu nanum nyina tutu. One ne gaza, asia. Oh yawaye ma. Eh na, sister bara bai. Sister o bara bai. Sister de pa. Me ba chona bara bai.
Yes, mommy.
O bara bai. U fin kran. Na sande na bai. Hey. Na u ba no bi ya ho ye. Na u won kran na say u won zuma.